Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and today I wanted to sit down with you guys and I wanted to share an under 500 rupees makeup look. So in this video, whatever products I will be using, all are under 500 rupees and they are super duper in quality. I know you can skip this video by going through the description box, but that's not something I really wanted. Please stay with me a little longer. So further ado, let's go. So here we go. I am starting off with a primer. Here I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It's a very nice silicone based transparent primer and it really helps to smoothen the skin. After that, here I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. It's a very nice foundation and it also comes with a spatula. Firstly, I'm spreading it all over on my face and after that I'm blending it all over on my face with the beauty blender. You can also blend it with the help of your fingertips, but I just feel it like I just want to blend it with a beauty blender. That's why I'm blending it all over on my neck as well. I couldn't find any concealer under 500 rupees, so after that what I'm doing, I'm just stamping the same foundation which I have used for my whole face to brighten up a little bit on my under eye portion, and I'm blending that with the same beauty blender. And after that, let's move on to the contouring. Here I'm using this cream contouring and I have taken a very flat pencil brush and I'm just placing the color on my usual places like jawline, chin area, and also on the nose, and I'm blending it with the same beauty blender, but here I'm using the top of my beauty blender. I am not using the butt. I am blending my contouring in an upward direction just to make it more precise and more beautiful. It will look more precise if you just blend it in upward direction. I'm just going upward direction on my nose area as well. Next up, to make it more precise, I'm just using translucent powder just beneath of my contouring, and I'm using this Stay Quirky translucent powder. I'm also placing this on the underneath of my eyes and I'm just keeping it for a while, and after that I'm removing it with the help of a powder brush. Let's move on to the eyebrow. Here I am using Mars eyebrow palette. I'm mixing up these two different shades just to make it my eyebrow color, and I'm using the same brush which was provided by the palette itself. Firstly, I'm just making a border and after that I'm filling in the sparse areas, and on the starting point of my eyebrow I'm just going in vertical motion. To make my eyebrow look more precise, here I am using the concealer which was from the Miss Rose palette, which I used for my contouring as well. And I'm just taking a flat top brush, and firstly I have made a border, and after that I'm using the same concealer on my eyelid as well, and after that I'm blending it with the same beauty blender. For eyeshadows, here I am using Single Shadows by Color Essence. I have taken a flat dense brush and I have picked up the color and I'm just placing it firstly by dabbing it all over on my eyelid. I'm not crossing my crease whenever I'm dabbing my color, because after that I will be spreading it all over on the crease line just to give an ombre shade. And as you can see, I have taken a totally clean brush and I'm just blending it outwards of my crease line and outwards of my hairline just to give a little bit of nice ombre look. And recently I am loving this particular technique. After that, I'm placing the same shade with the same flat dense brush all over on my lower lash line, and I'm just connecting it to the upward direction. And after that, I'm using this Cosmic Kajal. It's a very beautiful pigmented black kajal. I'm just placing the kajal on my lower waterline, and after that I'm just smudging the kajal with the help of a smudger brush. Next up, let's move on to the mascara. I will be applying falsies lately, but here I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Mascara. It's a beautiful, volumizing mascara. It's not that much worthy, but you can give it a try. It's a very nice mascara. After that, I'm using this Wet n Wild blush. It's a very nice light undertone, peachy undertone blush. I don't need a lot with my apple of the cheeks. Let's move on to the highlighter. Here I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm just placing it on the usual places like apple of the cheeks, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin area, and also the starting point of my eyebrows. And also I'm highlighting my inner corner as well as brow bone. And let's apply the falsies, and I'm applying falsies with the help of my fingertips. And if you are a pro, you can also apply it, but it need a little bit of practice, guys. After that, I'm using this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Pink. And after placing the lipstick, here is my final look for you guys. Everything that brought me alive, going around like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel fight without an alibi. And this is my final finished look for you guys, and I hope you got a little bit of idea that in which product you should invest for in future. And yes, it's time to sign off. If you find this video helpful and enjoyable, then please do not forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get the notification of that and you will get to see the video first. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.